औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अरे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। हमारा जो टॉपिक चल रहा था कल वो था पॉलिटिकल साइंस से अंडरस्टैंडिंग मार्जिनलाइजेशन। बच्चों, कल हमने वो उस चैप्टर को ख़त्म किया। आज मैं उसी चैप्टर के सवालात और उनके जवाबात लेकर आपके सामने हाजिर हुआ हूँ। हमारा पहला सवाल है, राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स टू और मोर सेंटेंसेस ऑफ व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द वर्ड मार्जिनलाइजेशन। इसका आंसर है, इन सिंपल वर्ड्स मार्जिनलाइजेशन मीन्स that you are not important part of the society or group or community. For example, a student is marginalized in a class when he is looking different from the majority students of the class. When a student feels that he is not within a class due to various reasons, he is marginalized. Marginalization means that a person is not at the center of things. Depressed classes are also known as marginalized sections of society. In India, large number of people have experienced marginalization on account of the caste system. दूसरा क्वेश्चन जो है वो है, लिस्ट टू रीजन्स वाई आदिवासीज आर बिकमिंग इंक्रीजिंगली मार्जिनलाइज्ड। इसका जवाब है, आदिवासीज आर बिकमिंग इंक्रीजिंगली मार्जिनलाइज्ड ड्यू टू फॉलोइंग रीजन्स। पहला रीज़न क्या है, फॉरेस्ट लैंड्स हैव बीन क्लियर्ड फॉर टिम्बर एंड टू गेट लैंड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड इंडस्ट्री। दूसरा, ड्यू टू माइनस एंड माइनिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स मैनी ट्राइबल्स एंड displaced. When Adivasis are displaced, they lose their main source of livelihood and food. तीसरा क्वेश्चन जो है वो है, राइट वन रीजन वाई डू यू थिंक द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन safeguards to protect minority communities is very important. इसका आंसर है, इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन provides safeguards to religions, ethnic and linguistic minorities. These safeguards are provided in the fundamental rights. The Constitution's safeguards to protect minority communities is very important. Safeguards are needed to protect the minority communities against the possibility of being culturally dominated by the majority. Moreover, safeguards are important because they protect the minorities against any discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, language, etc. चौथा क्वेश्चन है, read the section on minorities and marginalization. What do you understand by the term minority? इसका आंसर है, minority means a particular community which is numerically small in relation to the rest of the population. For example, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, etc. are living in India. Hindus are in majority, whereas Muslims, Christians, and Sikhs are in minorities. The minorities are vulnerable due to their inadequate share in power and decision making. Panchwa question. You are participating in a debate where you have to provide reasons to support the following statement. Muslims are a marginalized community. Using the data provided in this chapter, list two reasons that you could give. आंसर है इसका, Muslims are 13.4% of India's population and are considered to be marginalized community in India. Muslims are a marginalized community due to following reasons. Number first, Muslims are economically backward and they have been deprived of economic development. 63.6% of Muslims live in kacha houses, whereas 55.2% of Hindus live in kacha houses. Number second, 65% Hindus are literate, whereas 59% Muslims are literate. The average years of schooling for Muslim children between the age of 17 to 16 is much lower than that of other socio-religious communities. बच्चों, ये थे हमारे कुछ क्वेश्चन, ये 5 क्वेश्चन जो हमने आज हल किए। इंशाल्लाह कल मैं इसके बाकी क्वेश्चन लेकर फिर हाजिर होगा। तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़।